So the time now is 9 o'clock and we just have this fresh news saying that US, Iran are agreeing for a peace talk. So this might be a positive news for the market today. So anyhow, let's see how the market will perform for the day. So this will be my today's trade vlog. So now the pre-open market has just finished and the market is just opening flat today at 24,061. It's just 0.02% up today. So for intraday trading, the market will be good today. I mean, the momentum will be good as there is no much gap up or gap down. So whenever you see the market open flat, we do get good kind of momentum in the stocks. So now in the next few minutes, I'll be deciding what stock I'll be trading and what are the levels for it without indicators based on my unique knowledge and the strategy. WhatsApp for personal support. Okay, so I'll be showing you all that things. So stay tuned for that. So just waiting for the market to settle down. So once it settles down, I'll be trading and I'll be showing those trade for you as well. So right now I'm just analyzing the stocks and it will just take 2 to 5 minutes to figure out what stock I'll be trading. I don't use any scanners. I just have my own technique of selecting the stocks. I just go through it. So whenever I select it, whenever it matches my condition, I just select that and trade that. So yes, in next few minutes, I'll be getting the stock which I'll be trading according to my knowledge, and I'll be showing you the trade what I'll be taking as well. So yes, right now I have selected TechM stock for the trade for the day. So anyway, I'll be showing you my analysis. So as of now, I've decided the two levels for making a long trade entry, or if comes down, it might be a short sell entry. So I'll be revealing you the levels once I just finish my analysis. So anyway, but TechM is the stock what we will just be observing or analyzing for today. So yes, this is how the market is performing today. So as I said you, the market is volatile. Now the time is around 1:26. So you can see here in the morning the market just went up, and later you can see how the market has completely come down. So as of now the market is down by 0.50% almost. So this is how the market is performing, guys. Okay, so this is how it went up in the morning and later it has completely come down. So yes, 23,950 as of now on Nifty 50, it is coming to the downside. So now the Nifty has fallen over 100 points. You can see here it's below 24,000 levels. Now it's trading at 24,950 levels. So now let me show you the reasons for this fall. Okay, so you can see here Nifty Auto was one of the biggest impacted, I can tell here. So it's down by almost 2%, and also the Nifty IT sector is also down today, which is almost more than 1% down. So and also you can see Nifty oil and gas is also down by 1.45%. so these three major index were the reason for why the market has been dragged down like this for today. So yes, we still have like 30 minutes for the market to close. So let's see what the closing price of the market will be for the day. So here are the few reasons why the market has fallen down for the day. So the first reason is that the FII has done big sell-off for the day. So more than 2,000 crores worth of sell-off has been seen here. And also the spike in crude oil price has resulted the market to go down. Okay, so these are the reason why the market has come down for the day, and also a bit of a profit booking in our Indian market is also seen. So that is one of the reason why the market has come down. So when the profit booking happens, huge sell-off will take place. So due to that, where the market has come down now. So the market is having a good support level somewhere close to 23,800 to 23,700 level. From here, if the market bounces back and goes above 24,200, then we might see 24,500 come. So anyway, this is the Nifty 50 analysis, and this is how the market has performed for the day, guys. So let's see how the market will perform in the upcoming days. So guys, speaking about today's trade, TechM was my analysis. So it was a buy above 1445, and once it went above 1445, it went all the way almost up till here is our entry, and it went almost till 1454. Okay, and later you can see here the stock went completely range bound, and somewhere below this level breakout was a short sell what I analyzed, and you can see here that breakout was given, and you can see the price has come down completely now. So this was my analysis and trade for the day. Do follow for more updates and knowledge like this.